In this video, we're going to break down how web design and development agencies can manage projects. This video is mainly geared towards those who are one-man teams, so one-man business owners, one-person business owners, how you can manage your projects. So as somebody who is a freelance web developer and designer who builds websites for businesses, there's a lot of things that you have to keep in mind when it comes to these type of projects. So with Wise though, what you can do is you can create a project, come in here, put the details of your project, and put a description. So whenever it is that you're looking to manage projects for these type of projects, it's good to put some basic information. What is this project about? The title, maybe links to different social media profiles that you might need to use for a reference. This especially can be helpful because when you're working on these projects for these companies, let's say like for this example that we're using is for a website, a restaurant. So they may have an Instagram page, they may got a YouTube, they may have a Facebook, they may even have a Twitter. So by storing their links in here, if you want to maybe focus, see how their brand message is, or what is the kind of style that they use, the colors, you can put their links in here to quickly reference. Instead of having to go and then now search it up, you can just have their links in here, go and reference it to be able to use it to help you create this project. And then, of course, you can set a goal for the project that it is that you're working on. Goals are always important, no matter what you're using to manage your projects. Having a place to store goals and to have goals for your project is always helpful. So if you come in here, you're a web designer, you're a developer, you build websites for clients, you have your links here, you have your goal. Something that's also helpful is having a way to capture inspiration and ideas on how to improve this project that it is you're working on. Let's say, going back to this company, that they contact you, we're a restaurant, we're looking for more customers. Our customers have gone down, and we noticed that our website is not really performing the best. The design is old. We need your help. So what you can do is you can maybe use a tool like this, a reference link. Look at other successful restaurants who are in this same niche, in this case, luxury Asian cuisine. Come in here, put in their information, and then you can save that template. So that way, when you're looking for inspiration, okay, what did this restaurant do that I can use for this project that I'm working on? That's also something that you can try is when you're building these websites for companies, what I like to do is always look for other competitors, other websites who are successful, and then learn from what they did so you can apply it in this project. So those are just some things that I would keep in mind as a web designer, the developer, if you have an agency, is to have the links of that company to see what it is that they're already doing, to be able to capture that somewhere, to be able to add goals about what it is that whatever the company's goal is or the business goal, just put that in here. Whatever the business goal is, you put that in there. And then, of course, a way to store different ideas and different things that you may have about this product to help you improve it. Now, of course, there's other things that you have to add, maybe like a timeline, you have to add specific tasks. So there's so many things that you have to add, but this is a basic overview of how you, as somebody who owns a web design and development agency, can manage your projects, manage what you're working on, and especially if you're working on a lot of projects. Having a simple way to keep them in their own separate space so you're not getting confused and that they're all in their own little corner so that way you can improve each project and deliver the best solution to your clients. So if you own a web development design agency or one-man team, you're looking for a new tool. Maybe you've tried other tools, but you're looking for a tool to help you organize your work, a simple tool. You can check out our tool Swizo. You can just go on Google, type in Swizo.app to learn more about this tool and to see how this tool can help you manage your projects, manage what it is that you're working on, and to help you organize your thoughts, your projects, your ideas as a solopreneur, as a one-man team. So this tool is something that you want to try out. You can come to the website, Swizo.app.